This is how it's got to be. The suitcase. What's your story? We were the last survivors.
We have to stop the atmosphere processor from spreading this fucked up plane. So we rigged it to blow by some device that's in a simple suitcase. It's not like we could just turn the stupid thing off. Do you understand, Briggs? It's our last chance to fucking survive this bullshit. Murdoch had this suitcase last. Before we were ambushed and slaughtered like pigs. I'm the only one left. It's up to me now. Fuck.
Who am I? Just some ordinary worker on this rock. Not Rambo. I can't do this alone, man. If I don't make it, you have to get the device and end this nightmare.
I'm going to rip you apart for what you did to me. Wait, what are you doing? What is that in his hands?
I'm sorry. I let you all down. Please, let me put you to rest, once and for all.
Damn it, Conan. You didn't say we'd beat this big. Oh shit, he's coming at me. Think, Riggs, think. There's gotta be a way out of this. Huh?
Clear skies.
The blue mask.
You guys have gone too far this time.
So we meet again, Riggs, you pathetic traitor.
Revna. The higher-ups have plans for you. Otherwise you'd be dead by now. Say goodnight.
Unjustifiable. you.